Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. Fredrik Backman is my absolute favorite author, and his novella, And Every Morning the Way Home Gets Longer and Longer, is not a book that you should miss. It may be a small book, but it is one of the most moving and emotional and powerful books I have ever read in my life. This book paints a moving portrait of an elderly man's struggle to hold on to his most precious memories and his family's efforts to care for him even as they must find a way to let go. This little book really packs a powerful punch. I read this book in one sitting and it has stayed with me for years. I really think that everyone should take the time to pick up a copy of this book and give it a read because it is so beautiful. I really recommend picking up a copy of And Every Morning the Way Home Gets Longer and Longer by Fredrik Backman. You will not be disappointed, and that is my point of view.